Today I'm taking a look at the Fikwot solid state drive. So here's our drive. It is a standard 2.5 inch. It is a standard SATA. And it does say on the back this is a 500 gigabyte drive. So I'm going to test this in a dock. And we need to initialize it. So I'm going to right click, go to disk management. And there we see it. And we can see it right here unallocated. So I'm going to right click, go to new simple volume. And then hit next, finish. And there we go, there is our drive. Now I want to do a speed test and start. Okay, so for the sequential 1 MB 8 process 1 thread, we got 466 on the read, we got 459 on the write. For the sequential 1 MB 1 process 1 thread, we got 373 and 366. The random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 184 and 170. For the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 26 and 40. So this is exactly what I would expect to see out of a SATA interface. Now it is worth keeping in mind, I got this in an external dock. If you were to put that directly into a computer, you could potentially see numbers that are even higher than this. But even without that, these are completely acceptable numbers for an SSD. So overall, I'm very happy with that.